Kakangan mayal ave. Nimiala. Bebe yoka. To kendi mbangote. To sotana bisona bolinga. To kendi mbangote.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time seeing me, my name is Tracy Way. I create beauty, makeup, lifestyle videos. So in today's video, I'm going to be creating this look for you guys. I'm going to be reviewing / using the Juvia'S palette. This is the Warrior 3 palette. Super pretty. And I only use 2 shades, so I hope you guys like this video. Go ahead and subscribe to this channel. What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up on this video if you like it, and go ahead and comment down below anything whatsoever. I'm going to reply. Without further ado, let's jump right into this video, guys. Bye. Alright, hey guys, so I'm starting with a moisturized face. I'm going in with my Pro Filter Instant Retouch Primer. This is their soft matte one, and I'm just going to go ahead and work that in. I'm going in with my Maybelline Super Stay Matte Foundation. I believe I'm in a color 370. If not, I will link it down below. I'm going to go ahead and work that in. Make sure everything is flawless. Everything is blended, honey, and there's no harsh lines. I'm going in with my eyebrow pencil. This is Beauty Supply eyebrow pencil. I ain't got time. So yeah, I'm going in and I'm just gonna go ahead and just brush that into my brows and make sure everything is natural. I just really like following my natural shape of my brows. I'm using the concealer from Juvia'S, and I'm just gonna go ahead and work that into my skin. I'm going to be taking the same Juvia'S concealer. This is in the shade number 9. And I'm just going to go ahead and highlight all the areas that I want to highlight. I'm using my Juvia'S foundation stick. This is in the color Congo, and I'm just gonna go ahead and fan that just so it's more full coverage and it can dry faster. And I'm just gonna go ahead and blend everything in just so there's no harsh lines. And I'm using upper motion, guys. I'm using upper motion. That's how you want to blend your contour. You don't want to just drag it. You want to just go in circular motions, and you want to go like, you want to do it like you're going upwards, just to highlight and bring out your face a little bit more. I'm going to go ahead and blend the under eye. I like leaving this last just so it's more full coverage, and you know, like I get that bright under eye effect because I love a bright under eye. And then I'm going to be using the same Congo shade by Juvia'S, and I'm just going to go ahead and snatch that nose, honey. I'm just going to go ahead and snatch that, blend that in just so it's no harsh lines whatsoever. And yeah, and I'm just going to go ahead and set that with my Sacha Buttercup. I haven't used this Sacha Buttercup powder in so long, and I don't know why I stopped using it. I guess I was just trying new powders, but I love this powder. It just does it for me every time. I'm going to go back to using this powder because I really loved how it came out. I'm just going to go ahead and set all the areas that I went ahead and concealed and highlighted just so it can set. I'm going in with my Fenty bronzer. This is in the color Mocha Mami. This is my holy grail. Everyone needs it. Everyone needs a bronzer. I do not do my makeup without a bronzer anymore because it just does something for me. Like the warmth, the glow it gives, it's just everything. And then I went ahead and reverse contour, and I'm just going to go ahead and set the rest of my face with my MAC powder. So now on to the eyes. I'm going to be using the Juvia'S Place Warrior 3 palette. I'm going to be using the burnt orange shade. This is in the color, I believe it was in Jawara, and I'm going to be using the yellow shade. This is in the color Nzinga. Such a gorgeous yellow. I just love it, and it gives you like a soft matte finishing, which I really love. So yeah, this palette was everything for me personally, because for one, I could do 2 shades and I still get a bomb look. Yeah, it was just amazing. I went ahead and, you know, add that same burnt orange under my under eye, and I'm just gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my face with finished bronzing, highlighting, whatsoever. All the products that I will be using will be down below if you do not see it on the screen. I'm going to go ahead and put that into my tear duct just to bring out the eyes a little bit more. So I went ahead and add on some more of that yellow, baby. I'm using my Morphe lip liner in Trendsetter to outline my lips. I kind of overline nowadays. I just love how it looks, honestly. I'm going in with the lipstick from Morphe as well. This is in the color Boo. And I'm just going to go ahead and top that lipstick with Morphe lip gloss in the color Chill. I just love this combo so much. Like, I feel like when you use the same brand, it just brings everything together. I don't know. I'm going to be using my iconic London setting mist. This is, I just love this mist. It gives you like such a golden glow. Like, it has sparkles in it, so you actually see the sparkles on your face. Yeah, so this is the finished look, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and flat iron my hair, do my hair, put on my headband, and then yeah, this is the final look. I'm so in love with it, as you can see. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Until next time, peace and love and blessings, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.